On this particular nail, I'll be doing gel extension with paper foam. So let's get started. I'm taking this nail foam. I didn't apply any primer or dehydrator or base coat, which I will apply after putting the foam on. So first close the foam this way, then you apply it on your nails. This should be straight. You can see it should be straight with the foam. The nail tip should be straight. Now I will close it, and now I'm going to measure my nail. Now see, this nail is coming till here, so I will be forming the nail from this portion till this portion. Now I will apply dehydrator. To remove all the leftover oil. Now once the dehydrator dries up, I am applying primer. Don't touch the skin while applying the primer. Now I will apply the rubber base coat from EMI Gel. While applying the base coat, if you wriggle a little, then all the base coat will go inside the scratches which you made while buffing the nail. Now I will cure it for 30 seconds. Now while doing a nail with a foam, first I will take, let me bring this here. First I'll take a little amount and will build the free edge first. So taking it from the nail bed, I'll go straight down to the mark where I kept. This should be straight with this edge. Take a little more if you require, like I am requiring. And we'll go straight to that portion. So my base is built. Now I am going to build the body. See how much I am taking. A big portion of the gel. तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा लीजिए और start it from here. Now I will do the apex. The apex to give strength to my nail. अभी हम apex बनाएंगे to give strength to the nail. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर लगेगा. I will give a little amount over here to give a good apex. And turn the hand upside down. So now my nail is cured. Now I will remove the foam. See how I remove the foam? I'll pinch it from over here and will remove it this way. So easy. Now I will remove the inhibition layer of all the nails. So I have filed and buffed all the nails off camera. So now it's time for me to apply the top coat. तो अभी हम टॉप कोट लगाएंगे यूजिंग एमी जेल्स ग्लॉसी टॉप कोट. ये टॉप कोट भी बहुत थिक है. So this is the end result. Hope you liked it and hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.